This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right stabilizer for the fabric and design. Cutaway for knits, tearaway for stable woven, water-soluble for laces. Place stabilizer under your fabric and trim, both about 1/2 inch larger than the hoop. Once done, mark the design center on both fabric and stabilizer and align them precisely to the hoop. Use a light adhesive spray or temporary adhesive to tack the layers together so nothing shifts when you begin stitching. You hoop the sandwich tightly, checking edges and the center so the fabric sits flat without distortion. Make sure there are no wrinkles. Next, set your machine tension to the recommended range for the thread and stabilizer and run a test stitch on a scrap of the same sandwich. Once done, load the design and stitch the first few rows slowly to lock the stabilizer to the fabric. This prevents puckering and misalignment during the rest of the design. You finish by removing the hoop and trimming stabilizer according to type. Leave cutaway backing in place, gently tear away, or rinse water-soluble stabilizer. Once done, use small sharp scissors to trim close to stitches for a clean edge without cutting threads. If you see puckering or shifting, make sure to rehoop with firmer tension, switch to a heavier stabilizer, or add a second stabilizer layer. This troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.